In this video, I will show you exactly how to figure out and where to look to see how many people, how many unique viewers are watching your videos over a specific period of time. So what you need to do is go to your YouTube studio, and from the dashboard, go to Analytics. And from Analytics, you'll need to click on Reach. And right here, you can see over 28 days, this account had 1,800 unique viewers. Now, if I wanted to see how many were watching over a specific period of time, you click on this triangle right here, and you can see how many people watched over the last 7 days. You can take a look and see how many people have watched over a year's time or a specific month. So let's take a look at last month. And you can also select a custom range at the bottom. Let's select a few days in the middle of December. And as you can see, it'll tell you how many unique viewers you had during that time. Hey, if you have more questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.